everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is happy and in good health. I am here to share another journal, and this is a little golden book, The 12 Days of Christmas, copyright 1983. The size of this book is 8 by 6¼ inches, and this journal has 5 signatures. There are pockets and plenty of tags, and this journal can still expand. The cover is plain, and I added this beautiful Christmas fabric on the spine. And this is the back. The closure is a beautiful lace, and I made this angel charm. There are about 248 inside pages, and I used different Christmas paper from my collection. For the inside front cover, there's a pocket made of pretty lace, and then I added this charm. It says faith. And this is a pretty card featuring the Holy Family. Inside it says, "May the miracle of Christmas fill your hearts with joy and peace." And then there's a verse from Matthew. The pages of the 12 Days of Christmas are intact in this journal. And I also added another story, which is the biggest, most beautiful Christmas tree. There are plenty of tags, and I did some stamping. There's a postcard, vintage music sheet, graph paper, and really pretty scrapbook paper. So I will do a flip through and just enjoy the music. the 12 Days of Christmas Junk Journal. It will be listed in my Etsy shop, Neldascrafts. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave me a comment. Before I go, I'd like to show you the other books that I'm working on. I have here 3 Stories Come Alive books, and I turned them into junk journals also. The covers are done, and some of the pages are already embellished, but I am still making more tags, and my next video will feature these 3 books. So thanks again so much for watching. Here again is the 12 Days of Christmas that will be available in my Etsy shop. I hope you like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye now. Thanks again for watching. God bless you.